Hello everyone, welcome to the N-Class R Learning. So today we'll study a question about Holter monitoring. I hope most of you have an idea about Holter monitoring procedure. This is one of the procedure that usually prescribed to find out the cardiac abnormalities in cardiovascular system. So I'll read the question. The clinic nurse is providing instructions to a client who will be wearing a Holter monitor for the next 24 hours. Which instructions are important to review with the client? Okay, the question says the clinic nurse giving some health education or giving some instructions to the client who is having the Holter monitor procedure, and that should be kept on his body for the next 24 hours continuously. So what are the instructions that is very important to inform the client when he is on this particular procedure or she is on this particular procedure? So that's the thing we are seeing. So out of the four options, the one option that is very important or that the instruction the nurse should give to this particular client. We'll see. The first option says how to transmit the reading over the phone. Second, keep a diary of activities and any symptoms experienced. Option 3, refrain from exercising while wearing the monitor. Option 4, the monitor may be removed only when bathing. So what do you know about Holter monitoring, or out of this option which is the good instruction or the important instruction that the nurse should give? So before choosing the answer, we'll study something about, we'll just refresh the idea about the Holter monitoring procedure. So this is a continuous procedure, or the Holter monitor continuously records the client's electrocardiogram rhythm for 24 to 48 hours. In our question they says it's for next 24 hours. So the electrodes are placed on the client's chest and a portable recording monitor is kept with the client. In the picture you can see how it is connected with the client and how it looks like. At the end of the prescribed period, which means that at the end of this 24 hours or the 48 hours, the client should return to the healthcare provider office with this particular monitor, and the doctor will take the monitor and he will print out the rhythm or the data which is stored in this monitor and correlate with the abnormalities or the client activities, and the particular rhythm happen on certain activities. So that is happening in the Holter monitoring procedure. So what are the instructions or the important education that the nurse should give to the client who is on the Holter monitoring? The first one is that keep a diary of activities and any symptoms experienced while viewing the monitor, so that these symptoms may be later correlated with the recorded rhythm disturbance. The first thing that the client should educated or the client should be instructed, he should keep a diary for this entire 24 hours, what all the activities he is doing and what all the symptoms he experienced. All these things he have to write, he have to make in the diary. So when the client return to the healthcare office, the doctor he can print that rhythm and he can connect with this the client diary what he write. Maybe some rhythm might be indicates some abnormalities, and the particular that time what was the activity client has doing, or the client experience any symptoms, so we can connect together and find out the problem. So that is the main point. And the second instruction, do not bath or shower during the test period. In the question 24 hours, so this entire 24 hour client should not take shower, which means that the machine should not remove from the body. Then the third instruction, engage in normal activities to stimulate conditions that may produce symptoms that the monitor can record. Okay, the client is now today morning onwards the client is on Holter monitoring. He can continue the same daily routine activities that he has been doing the previous days. So then only we can understand what is happening with certain activities or what are the symptoms he is experiencing. So there is no need to any restriction or change. He can continue the same activities while he is on the Holter monitoring also. And then another one, the data are not generally transmitted over the phone. We have an option in our question that if the data are not generally transmitted over the phone, the client simply takes the monitor back to the healthcare provider office, and he will be the one to find out the abnormalities. So these are the some of the points related to the Holter monitoring. So we'll come back to our question. How to transmit the readings over the phone? Okay, we studied that we could not or we cannot transmit the recordings over the phone. So we can eliminate the option 1. Then keep a diary of activities and any symptoms experienced. That is the correct statement. That is the correct instruction the nurse should give to the client who is on Holter monitoring. That is very important. So that is our answer. Option 2 is our answer. It's clear? We'll see why others are not answer. Refrain from exercising while wearing the monitor. We told that the client can continue the same activities. There is not much change. Then the monitor may be removed only when bathing. Should not remove, or the client should not take shower during the entire test period. So it should not remove. So our answer is option 2. So is that clear? I hope it's clear to you, and I hope some of you refresh the idea about the Holter monitoring procedure, because we are not frequently going, or we are not exposing to these ideas frequently, especially in the clinical settings. So if it is useful, please like our video and support our channel. Bye bye.